The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. New contenders emerge, challenging established norms. PiCoin has entered this dynamic arena with a bold promise. It aims to redefine accessibility in the digital currency space. Many see it as a potential future giant, perhaps even one day rivaling Bitcoin. The core idea is to bring cryptocurrency to the everyday person directly through their mobile devices. PiNetwork's vision extends beyond simple transactions. It seeks to build a comprehensive ecosystem. This ecosystem is designed to be powered by its community. Unlike early cryptocurrencies that required significant computational power for mining, Pi offers a different path. This path is designed to be energy efficient and user-friendly. The ambition is clear: to make cryptocurrency mining as easy as tapping a button on a smartphone. The journey of any new cryptocurrency is fraught with challenges and volatility. PiCoin is no exception to this rule. Can it transform the way we think about and use digital currencies? PiNetwork was conceived by a team of Stanford University graduates. Dr. Nicholas Kokalis and Dr. Chengdiao Fan are the driving forces. They officially launched the PiNetwork on March 14, 2019. Their goal was to overcome the barriers that made traditional cryptocurrencies inaccessible to the average individual. They envisioned a currency that could be mined on mobile phones without draining battery life or requiring specialized, costly equipment. Users, known as pioneers, can earn Pi coins by simply opening the app daily and tapping a button. This action confirms their active participation in the network. It leverages a consensus algorithm based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP. This allows for secure and decentralized validation of transactions without the heavy computational load. The system is designed to be meritocratic, rewarding users for their contributions to the network's growth and security. This ease of access has allowed PiNetwork to amass a significant global user base even before its full mainnet activation. Pioneers are the foundational users who mine Pi. Contributors enhance the network's security by providing a list of trusted individuals. Ambassadors play a crucial role in expanding the network by referring new users. Node operators contribute computing power to run the blockchain software, further decentralizing the network. The journey of PiCoin into the open market has been marked by anticipation and volatility. The PiNetwork mainnet launched on February 20, 2025. Initially traded on OKX, PiCoin saw an immediate price crash. After initial turbulence, PiCoin's price stabilized. The market is now assessing PiCoin's value based on utility and adoption. On May 21, 2025, Pi was trading at approximately 80 cents. It had a market capitalization of around $5.78 billion. Section 4. Gazing into the crystal ball, expert predictions for PiCoin. Analysts are optimistic about PiCoin's long-term potential despite short-term volatility. Its unique mobile mining and vast user base are strong foundations for growth. Bullish forecasts suggest PiCoin could reach between $500 and $1,000 by 2030. These predictions assume successful execution of PiNetwork's roadmap. If PiCoin hits $1,000, it would represent a staggering price surge. However, significant hurdles and market conditions must align for such growth. Experts see immense potential in Pi's disruptive model and engaged community. Short-term predictions are more conservative but suggest upward movement. CCN.com predicts a price increase to $1.35 in the near future. CoinCodex forecasts Pi trading between 46 cents and 67 cents through 2025 to 2027. By 2028, Pi could reach between 91 cents and $2.81. Remember, these predictions are speculative. Section 5. Catalysts for growth fueling PiCoin's trajectory. Several key factors are poised to significantly influence the future growth and valuation of PiCoin. Perhaps one of the most critical is the continued development and full activation of the open mainnet. While the mainnet launched in February 2025, this may have been an initial, more restricted phase. A fully open mainnet, allowing seamless integration with external wallets, exchanges, and decentralized applications, is essential for unlocking Pi's true utility. Another major catalyst for PiCoin's growth will be its listing on prominent global cryptocurrency exchanges. Currently, its availability is somewhat limited. Securing listings on major platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken would dramatically increase its accessibility to a broader pool of investors and users. Such listings not only enhance liquidity, but also lend credibility and visibility to the project. The real-world integration and utility of PiCoin are also paramount for its sustained success. Beyond speculative trading, a cryptocurrency's value is increasingly determined by its practical applications. The PiNetwork reportedly had a burgeoning ecosystem with over 30 apps and 27,000 active sellers from 160 countries even before the mainnet launch. Expanding this ecosystem, enabling Pi to be used for everyday goods and services, and integrating it into various online and offline platforms will be crucial. The more use cases PiCoin has, the greater its demand and intrinsic value will become. Finally, the sheer size of the PiNetwork's global user base provides a powerful foundation for growth. Section 6. A word of caution: risks and realities of PiCoin investment. While the potential for PiCoin is considerable, prospective investors must approach it with a clear understanding of the associated risks. One notable risk, already observed, is the phenomenon of post-launch price drops. Many-to-earn tokens, where users accumulate tokens over time through various activities, often experience significant selling pressure once they become tradable on exchanges. Early participants may look to cash out their accumulated holdings, leading to an initial dip in price. PiCoin did experience such a crash immediately after its mainnet launch, a pattern investors should be aware of for future listings or major announcements. The inherent volatility of the broader cryptocurrency market is another significant factor to consider. Digital asset prices are known for their rapid and often unpredictable movements, influenced by a wide array of factors including market sentiment, regulatory news, macroeconomic trends, and technological developments. PiCoin, like any other cryptocurrency, is subject to these market forces. Its price can experience substantial swings in short periods, which can present both opportunities and significant risks for investors. Therefore, a cautious approach and an understanding of market dynamics are essential before committing capital. Furthermore, PiCoin has a relatively limited price history on the open mainnet. Having only launched in February 2025, there isn't a long track record of its performance under various market conditions. This makes long-term price predictions more speculative compared to established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Investors are strongly advised to conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions regarding PiCoin. Section 7. The Pi Horizon, a future bright with potential. Despite market volatility, the outlook for PiNetwork and PiCoin is optimistic. Its innovative approach to mobile cryptocurrency mining has garnered a massive global following. This user base is a significant asset, providing fertile ground for adoption and network effects. If PiNetwork navigates challenges and executes milestones, exponential growth is possible. Real-world utility is the ultimate benchmark for any cryptocurrency's success. PiNetwork aims to bridge blockchain technology and everyday users, potentially onboarding millions. Ultimately, PiNetwork represents an ambitious experiment in democratizing cryptocurrency.